Small update for the DAZA. That's the old block, and I have it here as a reference because I'm measuring the depth here, how much deep it's the plug. Alright, this like I said, it's like a rivet. I fixed this one on the lathe out of chrome moly. This is very hard and it's not difficult to machine it, just you need to follow some rules, let us say. Alright, so the lip that you see front, the lip that has here, it's exactly how much deep is the rivet, if you like, the blockage, this one. For this one I still don't have it because I machine it, but I cannot slice it. So I send it outside to slice it for me, and they're gonna send to me back. Hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna have it. Alright, for today I have this, need two. There are two different sizes. There is the big one and there is a small one. Alright, so this one I fixed it here. It was easy to make it here on the lathe, and it comes like that. 1 second. You have any use for the tool? For the adapter?
Yes, is it paused?
No, wait. Here we have the new block, and I have already crimped, I have already put in place the new one successfully without any problem. It's easy, it's not difficult actually. I was expecting to be much more difficult, but it's not. I'm not gonna show you the rest of the tool that I make. It's nice, it's beautiful. You can see only the adapter, because with the adapter you can see the depth. That's why. Then here I have the rest of the rivets, the blockades, call it as you like. So this has been designed to crack at this point. You're pulling, and it's cracking. So I had a good grip, nice grip. This goes like that, to keep it in place, to keep it on correct position, and then from backside you start pulling it, this staying steady in place. You're taking out this one, and then when it's reaching at one point it's snapping and it's staying inside this. Like I said to the owner, this one on the factory, it's very easy because it comes at a robotic hand. Let us say it's getting this one, it goes inside, pop, it's breaking it and goes away. That means it takes 1 second, let us say, to do that at the factory. What can you do outside? You can just tap it, get one Allen bolt. 1 second. 1 second, where I have it? I had one here, and here, this one. That's what I'm talking about. You can get, let us say, one Allen bolt, not like this, the correct dimensions that you need, alright? You can tap it, you can put one drop of red Loctite, bolt it in, and then if you need, let us say, something later on in the future, you need to rebuild the engine or something, you just remove it, you clean the oil galleries, and everybody happy. But the customer, he wants to put the original one. I make an adapter, I have the tool, I start making. Now I need the, like I said, I need the tool for this because this is a different tool. It's a little bit longer. You need a clearance to enter inside in one spot. I'm gonna show you now. So the other tool I fixed different for the small because of this. It does have enough clearance. So I need to be specific to have support here at this point to go in the correct depth and crimp it and crack, and finish. So that's the story. You're gonna see when I'm gonna get also the other tool, I'm gonna crimp it all and I'm gonna show you. For now, it's gonna stay like that until arrive the tool for the small rivet, the small blockage. Yeah. Small update. Thank you.